Question 1. During the First World War, which country signed the peace treaty with Germany? Option A Russia, B Austria, C USA, D England. Answer of option A Russia. Question 2. On which side did Japan fight in the First World War? Option A with UK against Germany, B against Russia on its own, C with Germany against UK, D none, it was neutral. And answer of option A with UK against Germany. Question 3. Who was the King of Britain during the First World War? Question 3 रो आंसर कौन होबो ना ऑप्शन ए जॉर्ज V. Question 4. Cold War refers to option A tension between superpowers, B tension between East and West, C ideological rivalry between capitalist and communist world, D none of the above. Answer होबो B tension between East and West. Question 5. Who was the president of the Confederate States of America during the American Civil War? Option A Robert E. Lee, B Stonewall Jackson, C Abraham Lincoln, D Jefferson Davis. Answer होबो D Jefferson Davis. Question 6. The War of Falklands was fought between which countries? Option A England and France, B Japan and Korea, C England and Argentina, D USA and Brazil. Answer was C England and Argentina. Question 7. Who was the President of America during American Civil War? Option A Andrew Jackson, B James Madison, C George Washington, D Abraham Lincoln. Answer of D Abraham Lincoln. Question 8. The term Cold War was coined by option A Professor Lippmann, B Pamela Perkins, C Bernard Baruch, D Roosevelt. Answer of C Bernard Baruch. Question 9. Napoleon was exiled to the Saint Helena after the defeat in the War of option A Waterloo, B Russia, C Rivoli, D none of the above. Answer of option A Waterloo. Question 10. Who was popularly known as Africa's Gandhi? Option A Firoz Gandhi, B M.K. Gandhi, C Nelson Mandela, D none of the above. Answer of option C Nelson Mandela. Question 11. Who advanced Russia's boundary to the Black Sea? Option A Peter the Great, B Peter Tripoli of Russia, C Elizabeth of Russia, D Catherine the Great. Answer option D Catherine the Great. Question 12. When did Congress pass the Sherman Antitrust Act? Option A 1911, B 1912, C 1890, D 1891. Option C 1890. Question 13. Which civilization is known as the birthplace of democracy? Option A Greeks, B Persians, C Romans, D Indian. Answer होबो option A Greeks. Question 14. the Sumerians are known for establishing? Option A, the first empire, B, the first city-states, C, the first monarchy, D, none of the above. Answer habo B, the first city-states. Question 15. The Egyptians learned about making bronze tools and using chariots from the option A, Sumerians, B, Sea peoples, C, Assyrians, D, Hyksos. Answer about D, Hyksos. Question 16. The mandate of heaven meant that the Chinese king, option A, lived a life of luxury, B, had authority from heaven to command, C, could take as many wives as he wanted, D, none of the above. Answer of B, had authority from heaven to command. Question 17. Which country was referred to as the soft underbelly of Europe by Winston Churchill? Option A, Italy, B, Turkey, C, Spain, D, England. Answer of option A, Italy. Question 18. Rome's first code of law was the option A, Council of the Plebs, B, Law of Nations, C, 12 Tables, D, none of the above. Answer of C, 12 Tables. Question 19. The alliance of Germany, Austria, Hungary and Italy was known as the option A, Axis powers, B, Triple Alliance, C, Eastern powers, D, none of the above. Answer of B, Triple Alliance. Question 20. The Magna Carta was important because it, option A, created the English Parliament, B, strengthened the idea that a monarch's power was limited, not absolute, C, none of the above. Answer of option B. Question 21. In 1995, DAS was established as an international organization to deal with the rules of trade between countries. Option A, UNESCO, B, the WTO, D, UNICEF. Answer of option B, the WTO, World Trade Organization. Question 22. After World War II, African and Asian leaders identified DAS as the defining theme of their new political cultures. Option A, communism, B, industrialization, C, democracy, D, none of the above. Answer C, democracy. Question 23. Which of the following is not a permanent member of the United Nations Security Council? Option A, France, B, Germany, C, China, D, USA. Answer कौन हबो ना B, Germany. Question 24. Sohan culture is another name of option A, Neolithic culture, B, Mesolithic culture, C, Paleolithic culture, D, Chalcolithic culture. Answer होची C, Paleolithic culture. Question 25. Which one of the following animals was not represented on the seals and terracotta art of the Harappan culture? Option A, elephant, B, tiger, C, cow, D, none of the above. Answer of option C, cow. 26. Who translated the collection of South Indian tales into Sanskrit and titled the work as Katha कथा सारथी सागर। ऑप्शन ए कल्याण, बी जयदेव, सी सोमदेव, डी शंकराचार्य। आंसर ऑप्शन सी सोमदेव। क्वेश्चन 27 पुलकेशिनी टू डिफिटेड हर्षवर्धन ऑन द बैंक ऑफ द रिवर। ऑप्शन ए नर्मदा, बी महानदी, सी ताप्ती, डी गोदावरी। आंसर हेबो ए नर्मदा। क्वेश्चन 28 व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रूलर्स वाज adorned with the title of महाराजाधिराज, किंग ऑफ किंग्स। किए ना? ऑप्शन ए कनिष्क, बी अशोक, सी चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य, डी चंद्रगुप्त आइबा प्रथम चंद्रगुप्त। आंसर हम डी चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य प्रथम चंद्रगुप्त। क्वेश्चन 29 हु एमंग द फॉलोइंग चाइनीज ट्रैवलर्स visited the kingdoms of हर्षवर्धन and कुमार भास्कर वर्मा। ऑप्शन ए हुएंसा, बी ए एल्सिंग, सी फायन, डी नन ऑफ द एबव। आंसर ऑप्शन ए हुएंसा। क्वेश्चन 30 द सुल्तान ऑफ दिल्ली who is reputed to have built the biggest network of canals in India was। ऑप्शन ए इल्तुतमिश, बी फिरोज शाह तुगलक, सी सिकंदर लोदी, डी जियासुद्दीन तुगलक। आंसर कौन हम ना बी फिरोज शाह तुगलक। फ्रेंड्स जदि वीडियो पसंद आसुची लाइक करंतु, सांग मन पाक शेयर करंतु, ता सहित जो मैंने सब्सक्राइब करना सब्सक्राइब करने सहित नोटिफिकेशन आइकन उपर क्लिक करंतु। धन्यवाद।